When it comes to precision spray technology, Lechler stands as a global leader with more than 145 years of developmental expertise. We understand the science of droplet generation and spray technology like no one else. With over 45,000 types of nozzle variants, Lechler enables process optimization across a wide range of industries and applications, from agriculture to aviation, steel to chemical, food, cement, pharmaceutical, mining, power, and many more. Founded in 1879, the Lechler Group today has more than 1,200 employees worldwide, supported by 12 international subsidiaries, 5 state-of-art manufacturing facilities across the globe. Lechler India, a wholly owned subsidiary of Lechler GmbH, founded in 1993, today operates with advanced manufacturing facilities at Thane and Dahej, Gujarat, having market share more than 60% in steel industries. Being the most preferred solution provider, Lechler has been awarded by leading organizations such as Tata Steel, SMS Group, JSW, BHEL, and many others for our innovation, sustainability, and vendor excellence approach. These recognitions reflect our commitment to deliver modern, technology-based solutions that support industry sustainability goals. Thank you.